How to log out of PUBG. Hi everyone, welcome back to Gameplay Classic. In this video, we are gonna learn how you can easily log out of your PUBG Mobile account, either to switch accounts or troubleshoot login issues. So first of all, launch the PUBG Mobile application on your device and wait for the main menu to load. Once you're inside the main menu, go ahead and tap on the arrow button at the bottom right corner, and in the expanded menu, click Settings. Inside the Settings menu, go to the bottom left and tap on Logout. Soon after you tap on Logout, you'll be logged out of your PUBG account immediately. So that's how it's easily done. Just find the Logout button and tap on it, and you'll be able to log out of PUBG right away. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.